15% of all Americans believe
15% kogu
that
Ameerika
the entire moon
rahvastikust
landing
usub,
was
et
staged.
kogu
There are
kuu
also
maandumine on
conspiracies
lavastatud.
around the Twin Tower
Samuti
terror
on
attack.
erinevaid konspiratsiooniteooriaid
That the US government
kaksiktornide
itself
kohta.
was behind
Näiteks
these
USA
attacks.
valitsus oli ise
Nowadays, some
nende
say that the corona is
rünnakute
a
taga
conspiracy to
ja
take over
samuti öeldakse, et
countries,
koroona
etc.
on
My
vandenõu,
question
et
is,
võtta
how is
üle
it that people
kogu
believe the most
rahvastik.
delusional theories but don't believe what the
Kuidas
government
inimesed
says?
usuvad kõige
Where does this
rohkem
come from? We're living in
neid
a world
luulude
where you
teooriaid,
can't
aga mitte
believe them.
valitsust. Me
Why?
elame ajastul, mil me ei
Because
saa uskuda
who reaches
valitsust.
the highest
Miks?
positions?
Sest kes
Those that are
jõuab
most
kõige kõrgemale
deceitful,
kohtadele?
wheeler
Kõige
dealers,
petlikumad,
liars, those that think
valetajad,
only about how to achieve
need,
their
kes
goal.
mõtlevad
I'm not
ainult,
blaming
kuidas
them in any
saavutada
way,
oma
because
eesmärki.
if you want to
Ja ma ei
achieve
süüdista
something in
neid
the egoistic
kuidagi.
world, then
Kui sa
you
soovid
lock
saavutada
yourself
midagi
on that goal
egoistlikus
and whatever you
maailmas,
need in order
siis
to
sa
achieve
oled
it, you do.
kinnitunud selle eesmärgi poole
There
ja
are no
mida
other
iganes vajanes sa
considerations. Do you
teed.
think that over
Seal
time
ei ole
governments
mingeid
will be
teisi
trusted less and less?
arutlusi.
I don't know who trusts governments
Kas te
nowadays.
arvate, et valitsust
It's like
usaldatakse üha
in the
vähem?
past,
Ma
we
ei
used
usu,
to
et üldse
believe the
keegi
media.
usaldab
Who believes the media
valitsust.
today? You know,
Tänapäeval ei
everything is
usalda
such
keegi
that
meediat.
I have
Kõik
no
on
idea
niimoodi,
what
et mul pole
percentage of what
aimugi,
I'm reading
milline
is
protsent,
true, what's a
mida ma
lie,
loen, on tõsi või
and
mis
how
on
many
vale
times was
ja
it all
kui mitu
twisted another way.
korda
But
see on
other
keeratud erinevatel viisidel.
conspiracies, sometimes they're really delusional,
Aga
and you can
mõnikord
still
on nad
find
tõesti
people that
luululised
believe them.
ja mõnikord ma
How do you know
leian,
that
et
it's
ma usun
delusional?
neid.
Maybe it's
Kui sa
actually
tead,
not
et see on
delusional.
luulu,
We
võib-olla
can never
tõesti ei
compare
olegi
those
see
things with the
luulu.
truth.
Me ei
So
saa
that's the
kunagi võrrelda
question. How do you
midagi.
know what's true and
Kuidas me
what's
teame,
delusional?
mis on tõsi ja mis ei
You're
ole?
like in the mist, in the dark. You grab
Sa oled
something in your hand
pimeduses
and you
ja sa
think that
haarad
it's a
midagi
cat.
enda kätte ja
If you
sa
turn on the
arvad, et
light,
see on
you see
kass.
that
Ja
it's a
kui sa
pillow.
tule põlema
It's just an
paned,
example.
siis sa näed, et see on padi ja see on
Truth.
kõigest
Do you
näide.
think that we'll
Tõsi.
ever reach it?
Aga kas sa arvad, et me jõuame
Not
selleni
in the way
kunagi?
that we are now.
Ei, mitte sel
This
viisil,
way
nagu
we
me
can
praegu
never reach
tänapäeval
the
oleme.
truth.
Sel viisil me ei
How
jõua
then?
tõeni. Kuidas siis?
Only on condition
Üksnes
that all of us
tingimusel,
say enough.
et
That's it.
me ütleme,
We don't wanna
et
live
meile
this way
aitab, me ei
anymore.
soovi enam
And therefore
elada
neither
sedasi.
television nor
Ja
radio
seega
nor the media,
telekas, raadio
We're not
ega
using all
meedia,
these things
me ei
because
kasuta
it's
enam
all a
neid
lie,
asju, sest kõik see on vale,
through which we're
läbi
being
mille
used.
meid
How's it possible
kasutatakse
to live
ära.
without the media? You'll
Kuidas
have
on
no idea
võimalik
what's going
elada
on in your
meediata?
world, in your country. You
Meil
won't know
pole aimugi,
nothing.
mis on maailmas toimub
We'll try to build
või
something
riigis.
that is completely
Me proovime ehitada
independent.
midagi, mis on
An
täiesti
independent person is a real
sõltumatu.
person.
Kas sõltumatu inimene on
He
tõeline
doesn't
inimene?
accept anything
Ta ei
from what
aktsepteeri
goes on
midagi,
around him,
mis tema ümber
but what he
toimub,
has is just
kuid
one thing,
ainult tal
a
on
good
üks asi,
connection with
tal on hea
everyone.
ühendus
And then
kõigiga.
what follows is that
Ja mis
I
järgneb
try to
sellele,
bestow
ma
good
üritan
onto everyone.
anda head
And
kõigile
everything that I get from
ja
the world, I
kõigilt,
accept
mida
it
ma
as
saan,
good coming from the
on
Creator. Who
justkui
is the Creator?
loojalt tulev.
The Creator is the
Kes
force
on
of
looja?
good that
See on
exists in the
looja,
world
looja on see
that turns
jõud
everything for the
maailmas,
better,
kes pöörab
besides where we
kõik
intervene with our ego and
maailmas
turn
paremuse
everything for
poole,
the worse.
kui me ei
Is
sekku
this
oma
force
egoismiga.
conspiring against us
Kas see
somehow?
on vandenõu
Well, by modern
kuidagimoodi?
definitions you can say
Jah,
that. And
tegelikult.
what does he want from us?
Aga mida
He
ta soovib
wants
meilt?
for us to
Ta
understand
soovib, et
that
me
we have no
mõistaksime, et meil
choice,
pole
that we need to
valikut,
get to know him.
kui,
If we get to know
et me
this
peame
force
õppima
of
seda
good,
tundma,
will all
seda
evil
jõudu.
conspiracies then
Kas kõik need
dissipate?
vandenõud kaovad, kui me õpime seda
We'll then
tundma?
see how we build and
Seal
make
pole
them,
ruumi enam
and
selle jaoks ja
therefore
me
how to
näeme,
cancel
kuidas
them.
me ehitame seda ja samas saame tõsta ka tühistada.